In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate languages using Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know how to get clear, accurate translations, refine the tone, and quickly reuse your results anywhere you need them. First, open Perplexity AI in your browser and log into your account. Signing in helps you keep your history and makes it easier to pick up where you left off. Once you're in, you'll see the main search bar at the top of the page. Type or paste the text you want to translate into that search bar. You can use a single word, a sentence, or a full paragraph. Before you submit, take a second to make sure the text looks clean. No extra spaces or line breaks that might confuse the output. Next, clearly tell Perplexity which language you want. The easiest way is to phrase it right in your prompt, like, translate this into Spanish. How are you today? You can tailor this to any target language, and even mention a dialect or script if that matters to your audience. Around this point, a quick note. There's a direct link to Perplexity's website at the top of the description. And if you prefer using a phone or tablet, you'll also find the official app download link there. Press enter to submit your request. Perplexity will generate the translation in a moment. When it appears, read it carefully. Check names, places, numbers, and any technical terms that must stay consistent. If you see something that could be clearer, ask for a refinement. You can request adjustments in tone or style. Try prompts like, make it more formal, translate in a casual tone, or provide multiple variations. If you're writing for a specific region or audience, mention that too, so the phrasing and word choice match the context. For longer content such as paragraphs or full documents, paste the entire text and ask for a translation in one go. If the content is very long, consider translating it in sections so you can review and maintain formatting as you go. When you're happy with the result, highlight the translated text and copy it. Then paste it wherever you need, your document, email, chat, or content management tool. Give it a final proofread in context to ensure the tone and formatting still read nicely. If you need another language, simply repeat the same process. The workflow is identical for any language pair, so once you get the hang of it, translations become fast and reliable. Thanks for watching.